Well, you look at there. Is he cutting grass? What the hell's that thing doing? You know? Well, there's a guy. He's supposed to be on the damn thing. I don't know. Wow. They really shaved it down, huh? You see the line. That's impressive. You can't even hear the damn thing. Wow. I got a park down in Jensen Beach. I have a few minutes. Things are getting up. Things are looking up. I have a job. I'm in the furniture advertising business now. No. I'm holding a sign out front because I can't use my arm no more. And I don't want to hurt myself. So I have to make some money. So it's just the way I'm doing it. Anyway, things are looking up. Alright. Alright. I'll see you later and be good to yourself and others. Later.